The weighted calculation calculates categories and grade items as a percentage of a final grade worth 100%. You can assign values to any course item and category and choose whether to weight items in the same category proportionally or equally. First, click on Gradebook in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. You'll notice that I haven't added any assignments or gradable items yet, but don't worry, we can still go ahead and set up the Gradebook. On the right side of the Gradebook area, click the Gradebook settings icon, that little cogwheel, scroll down to the overall grade section and select Setup Overall Grade. I am going to select weighted since my syllabus is set up as a weighted system. I am going to leave the calculation option selection. And for select how the overall grade is displayed, I will set it up as a percentage and leave the option selected to show students so they can keep track of their grades. Now I want to make sure my categories reflect my syllabus. Let's take a look at a syllabus breakdown. In this course, I have 5 quizzes at 10 points each worth 20%, 2 exams at 100 points worth 40%, 12 in-class handouts at 10 points each worth 10%, and the lowest 2 will be dropped, and 2 short papers at 50 points each for 30%. Let's take a look at our categories. I want to reflect the syllabus, so we will lock the categories that aren't used in the course and make sure we unlock and set the correct weight for the used categories. To lock the categories, I will click the no sign. This course has exams in it, in-class assignments, no journal, quizzes, short papers. And now I'll go back and reset to match my syllabus. Exams are worth 40%. In-class assignments are worth 10%. Quizzes are worth 20%. And short papers are worth 30% for a total of 100%. Before we are finished with this area, let's edit the calculation rule for the in-class assignments. Select Edit Calculation Rules and toggle to enable the calculation rules. Then select Drop Scores and add 2 to the box. Select Continue. Save. You may recall from the syllabus breakdown that I titled the category for in-class assignments in-class handouts, but I have in-class assignments in Blackboard. To ensure that my syllabus and Blackboard gradebook match, I want to change the category name in Blackboard. I edit the category. And I'm all set. Now let's create an assignment just to make sure our Blackboard gradebook reflects the syllabus accurately. I want to show you how to add an assignment to a particular category. Let's create an item in the gradebook in our in-class handout category. To do this, I will click the plus sign when I hover in the gradable items area. I will create an assignment and make sure I add that assignment to the in-class handout category. These assignments were worth 10 points each. And the key step here is to add it to the in-class handouts. Thanks for watching, and please don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance with the Gradebook.